Are you also one of those who want to lose weight without much ado? Don't want to put in the extra effort of going to the gym, sweating yourself out, and following a strict diet plan to lose weight? Hey there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. This video is perfect for people like you who want the easiest possible tips to lose weight. So how about losing weight while sleeping? Here are 8 easy habits to adopt if you want to shed those extra pounds when you're sound asleep. Are you ready to find out? Here we go. Number 1. Include citrus fruits in your daily diet. If you're not a big fan of citrus fruits, it's time you become one, because those juicy oranges, papayas, tomatoes, guava, grapefruit, lemon and lime have the power to make you lose weight fast. Citrus fruits have the lowest calorie count among all fruits. These pack a powerful punch of vitamin C to keep your immune system working at its optimum and make you feel vitalized and hydrated. But most importantly, it boosts metabolism. We hope you know the importance of well-functioning metabolism in losing weight. Good metabolic activity means you can burn more calories faster while sleeping. So do you see the connection now? Number 2. Stand as much as you can. A healthy mind is like a byproduct of a healthy body. Lethargy makes us idle, which negatively impacts our brain activity, which naturally impacts our sleep cycle. On the other hand, if you stay active during the day, you will be able to burn more calories while resting. But we are not talking about hitting the gym or doing cardio at home. All you have to do to lose weight while sleeping is stand a lot more than you usually do during the daytime. Research revealed that standing most of the day can lead to a faster fat burn. So from now on, please make it a habit of performing most of your everyday tasks while standing. Let's check out the third tip to lose weight, but before that, subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video so far. Number 3. Turn off the lights before bedtime. We bet this must have caught you off guard. If you think there is no connection between dark room and fat burn, it's time you get the facts right. Recent researchers have revealed that melatonin, the sleep hormone, can increase brown adipose tissue mass or BAT mass. This causes several substantial metabolic after effects, including body weight reduction. And when you sleep in a dark room, the sleep hormone is released in higher quantities. More melatonin means more BAT mass and more fat burn. Number 4. Don't consume alcohol at night. Strictly avoid drinking alcohol or drinks containing alcohol before going to bed. Believe it or not, when we are asleep, our body performs many crucial functions, one of which is burning fat reserves. If you drink too much alcohol at night, your digestive system will concentrate on processing alcohol instead of focusing on burning fat. And not just that, since alcohol is made from fermented sugar, which directly impacts liver functioning and slow down the process of fat burn. So better stick to half a glass of wine with dinner and don't even look at the bottle of liquor after that. Number 5. Avoid heavy meals for dinner. We know it is tough for you to switch to a low-calorie, simpler meal at night, as that's the only time of the day when you usually want to eat to your heart's content. The issue is that you cannot take too much carbohydrates at night. Otherwise, your weight loss plan would be sabotaged. While you shouldn't be going to bed starving, don't hit the sack fully stuffed either. Eating a large meal before bed would compel your body to spend the night digesting it, and you'll find it harder to sleep. The later you fall asleep, the less rest you'll get, and fat burn will also take a backseat. Avoid eating a monster meal at night and take your last meal at least 2 hours before bedtime. Number 6. Eat cottage cheese at night. That's definitely going to surprise you. Eating cottage cheese or paneer can have several positive impacts on your weight. Cottage cheese is a calcium-rich snack and a natural source of tryptophan, a sleep-inducing chemical. When combined with calcium, tryptophan can help you sleep soundly through the night and let your body perform all the important function of fat burning. Number 7. Have green tea before bed. Green tea contains a vital amino acid called L-theanine, which has anti-anxiety and relaxing properties. L-theanine improves your sleep cycle and helps with anxiety. Nutritionists suggest to have 3 cups of green tea in a day, but if you cannot do that, drink green tea before going to bed. It will regulate your blood sugar levels and reduce appetite. With a good night's sleep and improved metabolism, getting into shape would be easier than ever. Number 8. Turn off your electronic devices. Scrolling the Facebook or Instagram timeline has become one of our favorite leisurely activities. But when going to bed, it is better to stay away from electronic devices, whether it is your smartphone, tablet, or even an e-book. Research reveals that the more gadgets in our bedroom, the fattier we would get. The blue light emitted from our gadgets actually hinders melatonin secretion. It is a crucial sleep hormone without which we'll find it harder to fall asleep. When we don't sleep well at night, our body won't process fat reserves and weight loss would become a far-fetched dream. Was this video to know how intermittent fasting can help you lose weight fast? Which of these habits would you make a part of your daily routine from today? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos on how to lose weight fast.